Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce this mini excavator to you all. It is called R10 Eco. The oil pipe is placed inside the mechanical arm, which can prevent it from being scratched, collided, hit by stones and other physical damage from the outside. It has retractable tracks and side swing, which can adjust the width as needed. The side swing function allows the machine body to adjust the position of the working device horizontally without moving, so as to adapt to complex terrain. The rear guard can be opened directly to shorten downtime quickly, troubleshoot faults, and facilitate cleaning and maintenance. The fully wrapped handle gives a sense of security. I wonder if everyone will like it.